Hey everybody, Brian and Sean here with TrailGrid Pro. Today's video series, we're going to do something a little different than what you normally see on our channel. Today we're going to be talking about our fully comprehensive in-shop installations. Next up in the journey of this 4Runner build is Molle, and then some more Molle panels.
And then maybe one or two more Molle panels.
Yeah. So the customers opted for, we have the Molle panels from Rago Fabrication for the size of the transmission tunnel and the bridge that goes over top. We have the inside of the rear windows. We have the outside of the rear windows. We also have the shelf that goes between the two on the inside rear windows and a panel for the rear hatch. So lots of storage options there. Other part of this day's process will be finishing up the electrical, both the lighting and the rest of the audio. So we have Odyssey batteries. We're going to be replacing the start battery. We're also going to be adding a secondary battery. So we have the battery boxes and batteries again from Rago Fabrication. Should mention the exterior Molle panels, those are Victory 4x4. And then going back to more Rago Fabrication stuff, we have the Surge. So that's the aluminum panel you see over here in the corner. That is going to be our mounting location for our S-Pod, fuses, anything kind of electrical that we want to keep nice and tidy under the dash. So Sean, what do you got in front of you there?
This is the AluCab shower cube. So this will actually get mounted on the outside onto our roof rack. So when he's out and about in the mountains or at a campsite, he can actually just take a shower.
Nice little touch, bring it from home. So the rest of this install, we're going to be finishing up with some other odds and ends. We have some more great communication stuff from Garmin. This is the Mini 2, so this is going to give him the opportunity to send messages back to his loved ones at home. So that's a nice little insurance piece. Also in the insurance category, we have the Vox power system. So this is a great thing. We have this installed on all of the shop trucks.
All of them.
All of them. So what this is this is a battery pack that hooks up to your start battery. You can operate it both off of the device itself or through a Bluetooth phone app. This will get you an emergency start to get your truck back running, at least get you back to the paved road where you can get some help. These come in super helpful, especially when you have a lot of electronics operating your vehicle and you leave your lights on when you get to camp, you forget about it, you go to get up the next morning to move to the next campsite and your truck's dead. This is some awesome built-in insurance to be able to at least get your truck started without having to rely on somebody else or a jump box or jumper cables or something like that. Also have Midland radio.
Very important to have.
Yep. Eden is getting the Midland radio. A couple of his friends have Midland radios. We've used Midland radios in all of our shop trucks. Yep. Nice, great way to not only have communication with your group, but just in case, again, something happens, you know, variety of channels there. You can get a hold of somebody, let them know your location. The great thing about this is you can tuck the body of the radio away and everything operates right off the handset. So another nice, sleek thing to have installed that doesn't take up necessarily a lot of room. Speaking of hiding things and not taking a lot of room, we're also installing the ARB dual air compressor setup with the seat brackets and the lifters from Desert Does It. That will go under the driver's seat. And then I think the part that everybody's looking forward to is the ARB Safari Snorkel that we're going to be adding to this truck. When you're planning on going anywhere and everywhere, definitely sucking water into your motor is not ever, you don't ever want that to be part of your trip. So be fun to install this snorkel on this truck. So we got audio.
We got audio, we have lighting, we have storage capability everywhere.
Communication, backup plans, clean yourself. So yeah, It's gonna be a lot of work this week. It's gonna be an awesome transformation. Eden, like I said at the beginning, Eden's got a few things done to his truck already. It looks sick as it is, but after our team is done with this project, I think this truck is just gonna be next level. Hey, Sean.
What?
We almost forgot something.
We did?
It's the biggest piece of this whole puzzle.
Oh, this giant thing?
This. Oh, almost forgot about it, but here it is. This is the iCamper SkyCamp DLX rooftop tent that we're going to be putting on top of the 4Runner after all of the rest of this stuff is installed. So not only is he getting a lot of great upgrades to get him to and from the camp, but now he's going to be able to camp right on top of his truck anywhere he wants to. All right, so like I said, we went over a lot of great products. Now it's time to get into the truck.
We can get some of this stuff off the floor and into the truck.
Everything's got to go from here to there. So stick with us, check it out. I know you're going to be blown away with the end result.